Michelle.
Hey, hi,
Good to
Kevin.
see you.
Yeah, good to see you.
Yep.
Hi, Melinda.
Melinda, nice to meet you. Terrific.
Thank
Ooh,
you.
who's this?
Oh, this is Maisie.
Excellent. Hello, Maisie.
Shop pup.
So we are picking kitchen cabinets today, is that right?
Yes.
That's right.
All right. And do we have a plan for the entire kitchen yet?
We already have a design. I actually have a rendering I can show you right
Yes,
behind
please.
the screen.
Love to see
Michelle,
it.
if you can grab that door for me.
Oh, yeah.
wow.
Yeah.
Modern kitchen right there.
Very modern.
That
yeah.
looks great.
Two different color cabinets.
That's right.
Same material for both?
Yes.
Yes.
What'd you guys choose?
It's an MDF core with a melamine skin, and it's actually finished on both sides. So every time you open the door, you'll have that same finish on the inside as well.
Nice. And in terms of colors, are we there yet, or are we still thinking about them?
So we're there on this green.
Yep, we've picked
I have a
this.
surprise because I have a bigger sample for you.
And just so I'm clear, the green is for underneath the island and up around the range hood.
That's right.
Exactly. So
And that's what you're going with
all
right
that.
here.
Yeah, that looks great. I
That's
love
a nice rich color, huh?
And it's a matte finish.
So that's for underneath island, around the range hood, and everything else is white, so.
Yes. And what Michelle needed to decide is if she wanted to go with a matte white or in the shiny white. Matte and shiny.
What do you think, Michelle?
So I really like both, but I actually really prefer the contrast of the two different textures. So since we're going with matte on the green, I think that the glossy on the white is going to look really sharp.
So two different colors, two different sheens.
Yes.
So we often are doing solid wood cabinets. This is a bit of a divergence. Why'd you go that route?
Well, I mean, as you know, we're going with a bit of a modern aesthetic, so we
Right.
wanted to take that type of look. You can also see that there's a lot of natural wood already throughout the house, so we wanted to balance out those materials. And when Melinda told me about this product and the durability of the product, this was something that we thought would really work well with our family.
Okay, so what is the durability story here?
One of the amazing things about it is fingerprint resistant. So especially for Michelle and her family on this wall here where there's not any handles, they're going to be touching a lot of these doors and drawers to open them. And I have a sample here for you.
The touch open was really something that we wanted to have because from an accessibility perspective, ease of opening and closing for my son, really important.
Yeah, I would imagine so.
The other thing that this material is really good with is magic marker or light scratches, easy to repair, like Michelle could even do it herself.
Well, can you prove it? Because that's a lot of white.
I actually can.
All right.
Michelle, if you hand me that marker right there and that sponge, I can do a little demo.
Sure, here you go.
Okay, so this is a permanent marker. And if the kids were to miss their paper and go on the cabinet,
Not unheard of.
I would just take this sponge.
Wow. It's coming right off.
Don't tell the kids it can come off.
Yeah.
Trust me, I won't.
All right, so that's a marker. What about like the dings and the dents and such?
Okay, so scratches, I had a key. Oh, there's a key right there. If you
Yep.
pass that over.
Okay. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're gonna key your
I'm gonna
cabinets.
key my cabinets.
Okay.
Michelle's cabinets.
Yikes.
And I did have to press pretty hard to get that, those scratches in there. It is pretty durable.
Little tiny ridges in there. So
Okay.
how do you fix that?
So I have to get my handy dandy iron over here.
All right.
Okay, the other thing you would need is a paper towel and some water.
Okay.
Spray a little water on here. And then I take my hot iron. Yeah.
Have your cabinets done with starch too, by the way.
Yes, for sure.
All right, let's see.
Okay, so you can see there's still a little bit of residue from the key. And just take my sponge.
It's all
gosh.
gone.
Perfect.
Wow.
So this was the matte. Will
Yes.
both of those work the same way on a high gloss?
Yes, absolutely.
So you feel good about the decision?
I do. I think they're going to look really good, and I love the function and the durability.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.